Yte.S, Numbo Smith.
Finance on beats, yeah.
Yeah. Young boss finance. Everybody wanna be like you. Everybody wanna be like me. Everybody wanna be like you. Everybody wanna be like me. But nobody wanna know where we coming from. Nobody wanna know where we coming from. Nobody wanna know where we coming from. Cause we living in the ghetto, living in the ghetto. Feeding with yeah. Life in the ghetto, life in the ghetto. Feeding with yeah. Cause we living in the ghetto, living in the ghetto, yeah. Feeding with yeah. Life in the ghetto, life in the ghetto. Feeding with yeah. Cause we living in the ghetto, living in the ghetto, yeah. Feeding with yes.
I'm tired of losing my tears hot because you want to eat. I dey give hope to mama, see everything go day well. Money not there to buy drugs when we not there well. Water way we dey drink, we fresh and from well. Now when food not there to eat, I dey cry up there. When kata drop from my nose, now I know you see it is sweet. Waiting we dey kill ourselves for not because we want to eat. They say no food for lazy man, walk if you go eat. I don't work from January to November. When it reaches time to pay me for December, they see I too lazy. Killing everywhere, the same make we see the RP. Boko Haram, Fulani, yes man, don't take over our peace. Churches everywhere, many fake prophecy. If you drag swear, you go answer question for station.
Everybody wanna be like you. Everybody wanna be like me. Everybody wanna be like you. Everybody wanna be like me. But nobody wanna know where we coming from. Nobody wanna know where we coming from. Nobody wanna know where we coming from. Cause we living in the ghetto, living in the ghetto. Feeding with yeah. Life in the ghetto, life in the ghetto. Feeding with yeah. Cause we living in the ghetto, living in the ghetto, yeah. Feeding with yeah. Life in the ghetto, life in the ghetto. Feeding with yeah. Cause we living in the ghetto, living in the ghetto, yeah.
17 years old boy, don't they push stunts. If you sit down with the day, when I insults. GK na toy cast me the bonus. Make me pray to God, make 100 billions be my bonus. Now every day by day, mama they pray for me for hope doors. Make I blow, make I not do what it involve blood. But the life in the ghetto to make am is rough at all. If you not go visit, who go show you love? Nobody know how we be when I defeat with yes. Nobody want know my struggle for so many years. I put on the fight of faith because I'm too molex. Sin another the rush us everywhere na girls. So I pray to God to take me out from nonsense. Cause the more friends I don't get na nonsense. It don't take, I know say the nonsense. That is why I choose to do this collab with Yte.S to talk sense.
Everybody wanna be like you. Everybody wanna be like me. Everybody wanna be like you. Everybody wanna be like me. But nobody wanna know where we coming from. Nobody wanna know where we coming from. Nobody wanna know where we coming from. Cause we living in the ghetto, living in the ghetto. Feeding with yeah. Life in the ghetto, life in the ghetto. Feeding with yeah. Cause we living in the ghetto, living in the ghetto, yeah. Feeding with yeah. Life in the ghetto, life in the ghetto. Feeding with yeah. Cause we living in the ghetto, living in the ghetto, yeah. Feeding with yes.
The good people are dying, now only the bad go face it down the reason. How to kill a brother without good reason. No blood in my vein again, I just water. The pastor not even know how to pray for your fellow brother. Why? We don't get money to support it, talented one. I ain't get money to sponsor the Boko Haram, Fulani X-Men. All we need a piece of unity, not be pains again. We want to do market what we do yesterday, we not ready the pays again.